Hi Tyros, Mrs. Keller here. I'm going to do the hats choreography. I'm going to put on the children's chorus in the background and not sing so I can just focus on the motions. Remember, I'm going to use my left hand, but you at home are going to be turning the opposite way, so you will be using your right hand. All right, so even though I'm using my left, you're facing me, so you're using your right hand. All right, here's hats. Again. Thank you.